Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm going to be making another Great Depression recipe, and this is kale and beans. As you can see, I have a beautiful bunch of fresh kale here that I will be washing and cutting up a little bit. I'm using a can of cannellini beans, and if you have the dry beans, you could use that instead. I'm using a few cloves of fresh garlic, and I have one Italian sausage, and you could use anything you have or anything you like, bacon, pork, whatever, but this is how they used to be able to stretch a meal. One piece of sausage could feed 4 people, because we're going to cut the sausage in small pieces and add it to the kale and the beans, and this way it'll give it a nice flavor. The first thing I'm going to do is thoroughly wash my greens. You have to wash them very, very good. Here's my kale after it has been cleaned and chopped. I rinse my cannellini beans, so it's always better to, if you're using canned beans, to rinse them well. And then I chopped up my Italian sausage. I have 2 cloves of garlic that I minced. Now let's get this cooking. I have a large pot over medium heat. And now I'm adding my sausage to brown them. This will take a few minutes. My sausage is browned, so now I'm adding my beans. I'm adding a little bit of water also. I added about a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to stir this so the beans get the nice sausage flavor. I'm going to cook this for a minute. Now I'm going to add my minced garlic. We'll stir that around. I like to add the garlic now so it doesn't burn. And now I'm going to add all the kale. Okay. Got it all in now. It's all in the pot, and now I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to cover the pot and lower the heat and let it cook till everything gets soft. This is what it looks like after it's been cooking for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to give it a little stir, and as you can see, all the kale wilted down. But this should be very good with the beans and the sausage. I'm going to cook it for another 20 minutes because we like our kale very soft. Now this is all done and the kale is soft, and what's nice about this is you can make it ahead of time and then have it anytime you like. Grandpa's gonna have his meal now with some Italian bread. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes good, Ma. What the green is, I don't know.
It's kale, Grandpa.
That's good. Tastes good.
A lot of times people would drizzle olive oil on it and add some red chili flakes. But my father always liked it plain.
Very good, Grandma.
So this is the Italian version of greens and beans.